Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the bar stitch. This is a really simple stitch with a nice touch of texture. It uses a front post double crochet to complete these straight cables. It's really quite simple and I think you're going to really enjoy making it. For this tutorial I have a ball of yarn. I have some Wool of the Andes worsted weight yarn from We Crochet and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. This is the Furl Streamline Wood hook. I will link both the yarn and the hook in the description. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, for this tutorial, we are going to start with a chain in a multiple of 3 plus 3. You want to have a stitch count of 3 plus 2. So I'm going to be doing 21 chains so that I have 20 stitches, which is 18 is a multiple of 3 plus 2. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All right. Got yarn everywhere. Okay. We are going to turn our chain over and work in the back bump. And I'm just going to do 1 single crochet in the second chain from my hook and in each chain across. All right, I have worked 1 single crochet in each chain across for a total of 20 single crochet. For row 2, I'm going to chain 1 and turn and work 1 single crochet in each stitch across once again. All right, I've completed my second row of single crochet in each stitch for 20 single crochet stitches. Now let's move on to row 3. I'm going to chain 1 and turn. This is going to be my right side, the right side of my work. So all my odd numbered rows are going to be the right side of my work. I'm going to do 1 single crochet in the first stitch and the second stitch. Now I'm going to work a front post double crochet in the third stitch 2 rows below, or around the third stitch 2 rows below. So I'm going to be down here at my first row of single crochet. So I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to insert my hook and bring it behind that stitch, the entire stitch, or like the post of the stitch is what a lot of people call it. Then I am going to yarn over and I'm going to pull up a loop. 3 loops are on my hook at this point. I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull through 2 loops. 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through the last 2. That created my front post double crochet. So now I'm going to work into the next stitch. I'm going to work 1 single crochet into the next, and then 1 single crochet into the next. So 2 single crochets, and then I'm going to do another front post double crochet. So I'm going to work it. One way to tell is I like to look at these stitches here, 1, 2, and then this is the third one. So every third one I'm working a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert my hook around the stitch, around the back of the stitch, so it's behind the stitch. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So once you get your hook behind that stitch and you pull up a loop, you proceed with doing a regular double crochet. So we're going to repeat that 1 single crochet in the next 2, and then we're going to do 1 front post double crochet in the next. And that's your repeat. You're going to repeat that all the way across, and you'll have 2 stitches at the end, and that is why we do a multiple of 3 plus 2. So let me finish out this row. All right, I've got my 2 stitches left. I'm just going to do 1 single crochet in each of those stitches to finish out the row. So that's why we did 3 plus 2, so that our rows both ends of our rows start and end with 2 single crochet. So we don't have any wonky ends because there is a front post stitch in the row. All right, so let's do our next row, which will be row 4. We're going to chain 1 and turn, and we're just going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch across. All right, I've completed row 4. This is the back side of my work, and I did 1 single crochet in each stitch across. So now we are going to do row 5, chain 1, turn our work. We're back to the right side of our work. We're going to do a repeat of row 3. The only difference is, so 1 single crochet in the first 2. We're going to be doing our front post double crochet stitch around the front post double crochet stitch from row 3. So it makes it a little bit easier because you're just going to stick your hook, you're going to yarn over, stick your hook behind the post stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. Then 1 single crochet in the next 2, and then you're going to work a front post double crochet around the post stitch from row 3. So yarn over, insert hook behind that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Single crochet in the next 2. Let me situate my yarn. And then work a front post double crochet around the next. And you're going to repeat that all the way across, ending with your 2 single crochet stitches at the end. All right, there we go. Now for the rest of your work, you're going to do a repeat of rows 4 and rows 5. So you'll do another row of single crochet, and then another row of 2 single crochet in the first, front post double crochet in the next, 2 single crochet next, front post double crochet, and you'll just repeat those 2 rows for as long as you want to go for whatever project you're making. A few notes about the bar stitch. I personally have not found a really good decrease for this stitch. Any sort of decrease messes with the look of the bars, the straight lines of the post stitches. So I personally do not have a decrease stitch for you to show you for this tutorial. I just find that it does not look good, and this is one of those stitches that work best without decreasing. So if you know of a decrease stitch, let me know. Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.